A confident person triumphs over every obstacle. Hi, I'm Sheetal, and today I'm going to perform asanas and meditations which will help us gain confidence. The first pose that I'm performing is called Anjaneya Asana or the low lunge pose. I'm beginning with Adho Mukha Svanasana or the downward facing dog pose. With an exhale, I'm moving my right foot forward and placing it between my hands with my lower right leg perpendicular to the floor. Next, I'm keeping my right knee fixed and moving the left knee onto the floor without touching it. As I am inhaling, I'm moving my torso upwards and gently sweeping my arms up from the sides until they are perpendicular to the floor. Now, I'm slowly moving my head back and shifting my gaze to the ceiling. I'm gently pushing my tailbone towards the floor and holding this position for 30 seconds to a minute. As I am exhaling, I am releasing the posture and getting back to the child's pose. Now I am repeating the same exercise on the left leg. The second pose that I am performing is called Veerabhadrasana or the warrior pose. I am in a standing position. As I am inhaling, I am spreading my legs about 3 feet apart. I am raising my arms up until they are perpendicular to the floor. With an inhale, I am turning my left foot 45 degrees to the right and my right foot 90 degrees to the right while aligning the heels of both feet. And I am exhaling. I am rotating my torso to the right, and as I am inhaling, as I am stretching my torso backwards slightly. Next, with an exhale, I am bending my right knee over the right ankle while keeping the shin and my back perpendicular to the floor. I am stretching out my arms and reaching upwards, joining my palms in a namaste position while keeping my head neutral or towards my thumbs. I am holding this pose for 30 seconds. I am inhaling and slowly straightening my knee. I'm returning both feet forward and releasing the arms while exhaling. Now, I will repeat the same pose on the left side. the third and final pose known as Simhasana or the lion pose. I'm kneeling on the floor with my knees slightly apart and the upper side of my feet flat on the floor. Make sure the toes of both feet should stay in contact with each other. Now, I'm leaning forward and placing my palms on the floor between my knees. My fingers are pointing towards my body. I'm straightening my arms fully, resting my body weight on the arms and gently arching my back. I'm tilting my head slightly back. I'm closing my eyes and focusing on the point between my eyebrows. Now, I'm inhaling deeply and simultaneously opening my eyes and mouth and sticking my tongue out, stretching it towards the chin. I'm exhaling through my mouth as I'm doing this and making a ha sound, keeping my gaze fixed at my nose. I'm relaxing and returning to the starting position. Yoga adds strength, confidence, and positivity in life. On this happy note, this is Sheetal taking your leave. Until we meet next, keep growing, keep glowing.